it's time to hear a message from another certified Batang Bubble. Ang mahal na mahal ng buong bansa. We have a message from the comedy genius himself, Mr. Michael V.
Thank you, thank you. Good morning sa inyo lahat. Actually, hindi na yata, parang hindi na parang batang GMA na. Kasi, ever since kahit bata pa ako, wala pa sa muwang ko yung pagpasok sa industriya. Napangarap ko ng maging part ng television. And most of the time, I was watching GMA shows when I was young. And itong pagiging part namin ni Mrs. ng GMA is actually a dream come true for me. 30 years, napakahabang journey ng ginawa natin, no, Mami? Medyo talagang all this time, kami magkasama, kami magkatuwang, kami palaging pumipirma, kami nagde-decision kung ano yung mga gagawin. And 30 years, as long as it may seem, napaka-fruitful nung 30 years na yun. Kasi it gave me the opportunity to learn from GMA. And nakita ko rin yung growth ng GMA. So parang magkatuwang talaga kami ng network. Hindi maikakaila yung malaking tulong na nagawa ng GMA for my career. And I would say GMA nagbigay ng freedom talaga sa akin to spread my wings. Na yung hangin, misis ko naman wind beneath my wings daw, sabi kanina. So, anyway, yung 30 years na yun, I would say na parang hindi enough. Parang kailangan dagdagan pa natin. I think we have a lot more room to grow, a lot more years to grow. So here's to another, I don't know, hindi natin alam kung ilang years pa na isa-serve natin with GMA. So thank you very much, GMA, and thank you very much sa inyong lahat.
You know!